In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the company name in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've rebranded, updated your legal entity, or just need to fix a typo, updating your company name in QuickBooks is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Go ahead and sign into your QuickBooks Online account so you can follow along on your own screen. Once you're logged in, look to the very top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up your account options. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the behind-the-scenes tools related to your company setup and preferences. When the Settings menu opens, find the section labeled Your Company. Under that column, you'll see an option called Account and Settings. Click on Account and Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can manage important details about your company, including your name, contact information, and other preferences. On the left-hand side of this Account and Settings window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Company. This tab controls your core company identity details, and it's where we're going to make the change. In the Company tab, look for the section called Company Name. On the right side of that section, you'll see a small pencil icon. That pencil icon is the Edit button. Click the pencil icon to start editing your company name settings. Now you'll see a field where your current company name is displayed. Click inside that field and type in the new company name exactly as you want it to appear on your invoices, reports, and other customer-facing documents. Take a moment to double-check spelling and capitalization so everything looks professional. Below that, you'll see a field for legal name. If your legal name is different from the company name you just entered, type the legal name there exactly as it appears on your official documents, like tax forms or registrations. If your legal name is the same as your regular company name, you can simply check the box that says Same as Company Name, and QuickBooks will copy it for you. Once you're happy with everything you've entered, click the Save button in that section. QuickBooks will apply your changes. Finally, to close out of the settings and return to your main dashboard, click Done at the bottom of the Account and Settings window. Your new company name is now updated in QuickBooks Online and ready to use.